Really gonna try and push to finish it for this weekend, but I don't know. It's gonna be close because then it needs to get registered too, put insurance on it. It's gonna be a close one. Guys, the time is 11:35 p.m. Just finished up with this wet sanding, buffing, and polishing. Paint is looking great. Debating on if I should put the Range Rover badge on right now because it's ready for it. Just gonna grab some alcohol, grab the template I made, and we can put it on. Okay guys, I'm gonna grab the template. As you can see, the template, Range Rover. And of course, you already know I bought black ones. Situation on the Range Rover. Bumper is gonna go on, then that piece is gonna go on. Oh, I can't wait for this piece. This piece is gonna make it. Oh, this looks nice. I'm in love with this thing.
You like it?
Really? Looks so classy. Range Rover. Guys, what are we thinking? I'm in love. Oh my god. I think this black and white and black, man. That was a good idea. It was a good idea. Let me know what you guys think about it. Well guys, currently I just installed the fender liners and I put washer fluid in it because it was low, and I thought to myself, I was like, let me check the wipers and the washer fluid to make sure it sprays, you know, because I transferred all over the sprayers and everything. So then I put the car down because I wanted to change oil. What it looks like, it's not working.
What happened?
We have another problem.
What happened?
The wipers don't work.
The wipers don't work?
And the washer fluid doesn't spray. So I went to this fuse. There's two fuses.
That's
This
a relay.
one. Yeah, relays. There's two relays, this one and this one.
Uh-huh.
I was just about to take it out. But look, watch this. This doesn't make any sense to me.
It's not gonna work if the hood is open.
No. What? Close it. Close the hood. Let's see. Let's see if that's gonna work. See if I'm stupid. I think it was closed. It was closed. Nah. I guess it works. Bro, I'm actually fucking stupid.
Come on, you should know this.
I'm stupid! I wasn't thinking right. So I guess no fuses are blown. I was just like, one thing after another, I guess. Not thinking. It's okay. At least it worked. Okay guys, currently took home the Range Rover last night for a little stress test. And check engine light came on. Airbag light hasn't came back, so I think that's okay. Check engine light came on for MAF sensors. And according to Sabri, MAF sensors on the 3.0s and the 5.0s are different. So he had found ones from a 5.0. They should be coming next week. And then right now I am sanding down the running boards because they're corroding and chipping. So I wanted to repaint them. I'm tackling this. So I have to go underneath, so that's why I grabbed the creeper. I gotta go underneath and sand down here. I'm gonna blow it all out, mask it, and I have to go buy some paint. Okay guys, just sanded everything, taped everything. Now I'm gonna grab some wax and grease remover, clean it. And I got the paint over here. I just ran over to the store to buy some. This is paint and primer. To satin finish how it was before. So I'm gonna clean it up and we'll start spraying them. Okay guys, so we had just taken the Range Rover for free on yesterday. Everything checked out, so we have AC in it now. We're gonna start cleaning it. And also yesterday we had changed the transfer case fluid and the rear differential fluid, and it stopped making that jittering noise in the back, so that's all good. Running boards are looking good, but this puppy needs a really nice cleaning inside. And I want to do a one-step paint correction on the exterior really quick and throw on a nice ceramic coating so it's easier to clean in the future. I don't think the interior is going to take me that long. It's just dirt everywhere from not being taken care of properly. I have to get stuff like that out. I don't know what that is. This stuff. Trust me, it's going to come out great. Hey guys, just finished cleaning the interior. Got the original floor mats in. What are we thinking? Nice and clean. We're gonna start the paint correction now. As you can see, paint has some minor swirls in it. So we're gonna just do a one-step paint correction. Whatever comes out, comes out. And then we're gonna put a ceramic coating on top. It turns out that the MAF sensors are different from the 3.0 and the 5.0. So we had ordered the 5.0 ones, but the whole airbox itself is bigger on the 5.0, so they're different from the 3.0. We're waiting for that now. Hopefully they'll be here tomorrow. I'm just gonna get the polishing so I can be done with it, and then put some quick ceramic coating on it. I'm gonna be using G-Technic Crystal Serum Light, the best. So yeah, let's get it done. Take a look. You remember how there was little scratches there? Everything's all gone. All over here. There's more here. Gone. Unfortunately, these two dents, they're not coming out. So I'm gonna have to live with that. Maybe do a PDR. Inside's mint. Running boards are mint. Things mint. Look at the black pieces. They're actually black now. You can see me. Before it was very oxidized and faded. On the mirror, I got that scratch out on the mirror. Look. Look at that. Got a little rock chips here and there, but 70,000 miles, what do you expect? It's not gonna be perfect, but compared to what it was, and I put the black Range Rover. So all we gotta do is just wait for the new airboxes to come in, MAF sensors. I have to put the skid plate back on. Registration should be finished today. The biggest thing that's holding this car back right now from going on the road is those MAF sensors, because the car goes into limp mode because it thinks it's not getting enough air. The supercharger needs to supercharge. So I don't know, maybe it'll be a little quicker because it feels like a little sluggish right now. But right now, we're just gonna do the ceramic coating. And that's about it. About 2 hours later, this is what our final results are looking like. Let me bring the light around with this. Plus. G-Technic. Crystal serum white. One-step paint correction. Put some tire shine. I re-cleaned the windows. Look at that depth. It looks so good. Watch this. How do we do this? And this. Look at this. Oh yeah. Beautiful. $900 later, picking a Range Rover from another shop. Got the suspension bled. Air boxes are in. So yeah, Range Rover was picked up from the shop. We didn't have the right tools to bleed the system for the sway bars. And it's some stupid system where hydraulic fluid sits inside the sway bars for active suspension. So we weren't able to do that. So $900 later, it's back. $200 later, we have 5-liter supercharged air boxes. I'm probably gonna drive it home tonight, test drive it again, make sure nothing happens. And it also keeps getting a code for a secondary battery, so I think we're gonna replace that as well. To be honest, I think I'm gonna take this thing on a quick test drive. Looks like it's gonna rain though. Should I take it home? GG. I feel like it was sluggish something with the wrong MEF sensor, so let's take her for a rip. Oh yeah, right off the bat feels way better. No joke. Before it was like, now it drives way better. No joke. Way better. Oh yeah, supercharger is charging. Should we do a little maple? Yeah, that's better now. It's actually got some power. Let's put it in dynamic. Let's dynamic it. Up, 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 up. CF8. Night and day difference, 100%. It's driving like beautiful now. Oh yeah. Oh. 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 Sounds so good. And it's not making the rubbing noise anymore. Oh. You guys want some revs of this thing? 2014 Range Rover Sport, supercharged 5-liter V8, 500 horsepower. You guys ready for this? Okay guys, today is delivery day. It is going to my girlfriend, Biana. She is on her way to the cafe. I told her let's grab something to eat, so she is coming over there. But what she doesn't know, I think she knows, but I don't know, because she already knows about this situation due to my good friend Amir. But I think she would have been knowing about it regardless, because I don't know. I'm not that good with surprising and stuff. I have a big mouth because I get excited myself and things don't end up going the right way. So I probably ruined this surprise too. But anyways, I'm gonna park the Range Rover backwards over here inside the mechanic door. I filled it up with a full tank. Drove it back here this morning. Everything was all good. We're gonna leave it right here. And I think I'm gonna put you guys in the back of the M5. I'm gonna pull up over here, open the garage door, and there it's gonna be. I think we're gonna leave it like that. It's probably about 20 minutes away. I think when she comes, probably gonna be at Mirage. She's probably gonna be expecting me to be in this or something, because I don't know what her brain thinks. And I'm gonna sit there over there in the F90, tell her I forgot something here, I guess. I'll pull up here in the back, I'll open the door, give her the key, and she's probably gonna wanna go drive, but I am starving. I haven't ate all day, so I'm hoping, fingers crossed, we can go eat some food and then she can drive it. You guys think she's gonna love it? I think she's gonna love it. She non-stop talks about Range Rovers, so here's a Range Rover. I think it came out beautiful. Compared to the first time we saw it when it got delivered from Copart, we saved this puppy. Also in the future, I really wanted to do this to this car. I wanted to do a facelift, front end and rear. They sell a conversion kit on eBay. It's like $3,500. It makes it look like a SVR. I thought it would have been pretty sick, but unfortunately, we didn't have any parts for the car. Financially, wouldn't have been as smart. So this way we save some money. Maybe eventually in the future, we can do a facelift conversion, depending on reliability on this car is good or not. I am hoping so. I'll let you guys know when she's here. Guys, I think she's here. But I don't see her. I'm sorry you're looking at my feet, but you gotta do what you gotta do.
It's not really like a surprise because I know.
You think so? I told you, I just forgot something. I'm not giving you the car.
She. Stop being vexed. I'm nervous. I'm gonna record myself.
What are you recording?
Guys, I'm about to get a car!
No,
I
you're
have
not.
a hunch. I have a hunch.
No, you're not. I don't know what car.
My heart is populating. Don't do this to me, bro.
What car are you talking about?
Oh, I don't feel good. Well, I feel like I want to yak.
Why?
I don't know. I just don't feel
Why?
good. I was nervous the whole way.
Why?
Because I know what's up out of state.
What?
Puppy, I know it. I'm scared.
Damn, so you get nervous in front of Sabri?
Yeah. Puppy, I'm nervous, really.
I forgot my shop keys, so I have to go through here.
Okay, I'm so scared.
What?
I'm nervous.
I forgot my shop keys. I have no choice to go through here.
So
Yeah.
stupid.
I'm serious.
Me too. Get out.
Yeah.
Puppy, I'm nervous. Tell him to hide. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry and throw up. Oh, little pup. Where is he?
He's not here.
Say well up.
But the camera's here recording you.
Okay, you're making me less awkward. Let's go, girls! Are you real? Turn it off. What the heck?
What's yours, puppy?
I feel like I just had a baby or something. I can't imagine how that feels. Oh my god. Puppy, wow!
How does it smell? Like a Range Rover?
I've never smelled a Range Rover before.
Fire it up. I put the key here.
Oh, it's up here?
Yeah.
Wait, what? Oh. My nails are too long. It blows up.
Are you happy?
Yeah, I'm happy. I just... I'll be in here. Leave me here. It works!
Your horn works!
Yay!
Wanna go for a ride?
Yes.
Are you happy?
Wow.
Say thank you to Nick and Sabri as well.
Thanks, guys. I love you. Wow.
So excited that she just threw her phone.
I don't even... Wow.
Delivery day. We're gonna end this video. Congratulations.
I have the best people around me. I love you all.
Congratulations, puppy.
Thank you, baby.
Enjoy.
I love you.
Love
I'm
you.
so happy, guys. Alhamdulillah. And
what?